Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video tutorial, y'all, so let's get right into this look. I'm gonna be using Spike Beauty products. This video is going to be using mostly Spike Beauty products just to show y'all how her products are, and if you want to purchase these products, you can always use code SLAY when you are purchasing on spikebeauty.com. I'm jumping right into my brows, so I'm gonna be using her brow pencil. This is in the shade Ebony, and I'm gonna start filling in my brows with this pencil. After sculpting out my brows with the concealer, I'm using the eyeshadow base in the shade number 8 by Spike Beauty as well. And I'm going to start putting this sporadically all over my eyelid. This eyeshadow base is so freaking dope, y'all. It is very much creamy, but once you put it on your eyelid, it dries down extremely matte. I love it about this. Now I'm jumping into a brown, and I'm going right into a dark brown. And I'm just going to start, like, I didn't know where I was going with this look at first. So, you know, you can't go wrong with brown. So I'm going to start using brown in the outer corner of my eye to create a little bit more depth. I'm going to warm that up with a brick color brown. So this is like a reddish brown. I'm going to place that right directly on the second brown that I used on my first transition shade. And then I'm going to start blending that in to make sure I don't have any harsh lines, y'all. And then I'm going to go back and forth with those shades just to make sure they are very pigmented and vibrant on my eyelid. After blending those shades, I went in my Creative Expressions palette by Spike Beauty, and I'm going to start placing that white gold directly on my eyelid using my finger because it gives you the best color payout. I did go in with a loose glitter by J. LaRue Cosmetics, and I placed that on my eyelid as well. This is in the shade Heavenly. Now I'm taking a very small blend brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go in with a black to start smoking out the outer corners of my eyelid. Like I said, they are fat, so we are trying to create a little bit more depth. So using a dark shade, I'm just going to start smoking that out. Now I'm jumping into my Spike Beauty liquid liner. This is a very precise liquid eyeliner. I absolutely love it because it gives you more control over the tip by it being a fine tip liner. I'm going to start creating a small wing on my eyelid. I don't know, I love using the Inkblot gel liner on my waterline because honestly, by being waterproof and my eyes always tearing, I think it's a perfect combination. Now I'm going to go in with primer. I'm using both of these primers. One is the Vitamin C e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm placing that on my face first. That controls my pores and smooths out my skin, and then I end up applying the Power Grip Primer, which actually grips the foundation on my face. I applied that all over, and I allowed that to sit. Then I went in and applied the foundation, y'all, and y'all already know the routine. I'm going to apply it and blend it and then conceal and contour. Now we're going to set the face. I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder to set my highlighted areas. I went in with my Queen of Face bronzer palette by Spike Beauty, and I'm just giving me a nice toasty look by bronzing up my face. Then I went back in with my Huda Beauty setting powder to give my highlighted areas, which is my T-zone areas, a more brighter look. Now just jumping in to make this look a little bit more popping, I'm going to be using glitter on my waterline. So I'm jumping into this gold glitter by J. Leroux Cosmetics, and I'm going to place it directly underneath of my lash line. Now I'm going to spray my face with some Morphe setting spray and allow that to set. Then I went in with the Spike Beauty lip liners. This is in the shade Power. I'm going to outline my lips. Yes, we are doing a red lip, so I'm jumping into my favorite red lippy. This is by Fenty Beauty, and this is our MVP red lipstick. This is one of my all-time favorites because it goes on any skin complexion, and it is so velvety matte. So I'm gonna place this on my lip shot to give this look an extra pizzazz. Using Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter, this is the shade Nefertiti. I'm going to start placing this on my cheekbones. I also used the highlight in my Spike Beauty Queen of Face palette, and I placed that directly on my bridge of my nose. Y'all saw that? Yeah, y'all see it. Now I'm going in with white gold and placing that in my inner corner. If you like the products that I use by Spike Beauty, please use code SLAY when purchasing from her. Anything I used, the Queen of Face palette, I used her bronzer and blush palette. I used that for the eyebrows. I used her eyebrow pencil in the shade Ebony. I used her lip liner in the shade Power. I used the gold shimmer in her Creative Expressions palette in white gold. and honey. And what else? And of course, the button nose came from out of her Queen of Face palette as well, because it's also a highlight palette. Use code SLAY when purchasing so you can save 15% off. And until the next time, and I will see you girls on the next live.